Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. I know I've done this before, but the last one is an incomplete one. Now here's the completed version of my custom-made sonic screwdriver. Has lights and everything. So I put a hard work on this with this Sonic with my help and everything. There's a few reference to the Sonic, to my Sonic. The lines for the time motor. The purple for the past one. And including this one. I thought this is a Sonic screwdriver. A custom made one. And so, really don't know this. Hope you all like this Sonic, because I'm being honest, I try my best to work on one. But yeah, after that, yeah, it's just a Sonic made with pipes. These made out of them. These pipes. This and part made of these. Don't copy my design, please. This is a custom made for me. I'm not trying to be mean, but this is a custom made by Flashlight. So, and the line even shows purple. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your comment below what you think of the Sonic. And then I see you on the next episode, which, bye. This one had incomplete one. Was in the episode 5. But the next episode will be a completed one. So make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below about the Sonic, what you all think. So I'll see you on the next episode.